eMaint simplifies CMMS integration, from powerful workflows to seamless data sharing, connecting users to 1,000 plus apps. You can tap into a wealth of data from SCADA systems, vibration sensors, ERP software, and beyond. Here are a few of the key integrations you can build with eMaint. eMaint taps into siloed production monitoring data, from SCADA to BMS, BAS, and MES or MOM systems. You gain powerful asset health visibility and can automate work orders to trigger when maintenance is needed. eMaint connects to vibration sensors and AI-powered analysis software that helps you see machine failures coming, boosting uptime, reducing maintenance costs, and empowering you to synchronize maintenance with planned downtime and chart a course to stronger reliability. eMaint connects seamlessly with 1,000 plus apps, from ERPs to CRMs and BI platforms. You can increase visibility for work orders, update inventory data across software, route purchase recs and POs from maintenance to finance teams, and much more. eMaint, your CMMS connected. Unlock your stack's potential to save time, empower teams, and strengthen reliability.